Hello, I am Ayush Singh from Couple Coders. In this video, we will make a BMI calculator in C programming language. What is a BMI calculator? BMI stands for Body Mass Index. It is a value derived from mass and height of a person. BMI is a convenient rule of thumb used to broadly categorize a person as underweight, normal weight, overweight, or obese. Calculating BMI is quite simple. You need to know height and weight of the person. Formula is BMI equal to weight in kilograms divided by height in meter squared, or BMI equal to mass in pound divided by height in inches squared multiplied by 703. The logic is quite simple for making BMI calculator in C programming. We will take height and weight of user like this as input and provide them the correct BMI score. We will start with header files like this hash include stdio.h. If you are not aware of header files, check it out here. Next, we will start the main function void main. Now we will declare some variables float, height, weight, BMI. Notice height, weight, BMI are floating point number here to store height, weight and BMI score. Let's ask user about her height and weight. Printf enter scan %f because we are using floating point number and %height. Note scanf is a function defined in stdio for us to take input from user. As of now, we have successfully asked for height and weight of user. It's time to calculate the BMI. To calculate BMI, we need to insert formula, which is BMI equal to weight in kilograms divided by height in meter squared. Note, in this video, we will make a BMI calculator on metric system. As a practice, you can consider making imperial system BMI calculator too. Enough chit chat. Notice how we calculated BMI. BMI equal to height divided by weight multiplied by weight. Brackets around weight is to ensure precedence rule. Although precedence rule is not of much importance here, but it's good to learn it. As a last step, let's show the result to the user. And the results are as expected. For height of 1.8 meters and weight 50 kilograms, according to formula weight in kilograms divided by height in meters squared, BMI is 15.432099. Then do consider to like and subscribe if you liked the video.